ServSafe Manager practice test in Spanish. Question 1. Standard operating procedures for HACCP Principle 2 specify. Determine critical control points, monitor, verify, analyze hazards. Step 2 is determining CCPs. Question 2. A food safety manager must remember that Staphylococcus aureus is soil, parasite, bacteria from skin/nose, virus. Staph is carried on human skin and transferred by touch. Question 3. The definition of PCO stands for in the FDA Food Code is Professional Cleaning Operator, Pest Control Officer, Pest Control Operator, Pest Control Owner. A PCO is a licensed professional for pest management. Question 4. What is the main goal of coving purpose? Pest control, easy to clean corners, slip resistance, aesthetics. Coving makes floor-to-wall joints easier to clean. Question 5. Standard operating procedures for shell stock tag retention specify 30 days, 90 days, 60 days, 180 days. Tags must be kept for 90 days after the last shellfish was served. Question 6. Which is a key component of hand antiseptic use? Before hand washing, instead of hand washing, every hour, after hand washing. Antiseptics should only be used after washing. Question 7. Documentation for fingernail requirement must include painted red, short and unpolished, acrylic, long. Nails must be short, clean, and unpolished. Question 8. Standard operating procedures for Salmonella typhi source specify poultry, humans only, cows, pigs. Salmonella typhi lives only in humans. Question 9. The correct way to measure Salmonella typhi sources: poultry, humans only, pigs, cows. Salmonella typhi lives only in humans. Question 10. One must always check shell stock tag retention for 90 days, 180 days, 60 days, 30 days. Tags must be kept for 90 days after the last shellfish was served. Question 11. Effective management of safe temperature for lamb chops requires 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Lamb chops require 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 12. What defines the standard for ready-to-eat food storage? Bottom shelf, under poultry, top shelf, with raw meat. Root food should be stored at the top of the fridge. Question 13. Which of these is prohibited regarding HACCP Principle 3? Correct. Establish critical limits. Verify, monitor. Step 3 is setting limits, example, min temp. Question 14. Which of these is prohibited regarding coving purpose? Easy to clean corners, slip resistance, pest control, aesthetics. Coving makes floor-to-wall joints easier to clean. Question 15. What is the best practice for cross-contact definition? Chemicals in food, allergens touching other food, bacteria touching food, physical hazards in food. Cross-contact specifically refers to the transfer of allergens. Question 16. A manager must ensure that dry storage humidity is handled by 50% to 60%, 90%, 10%, 30%. Dry storage humidity should be between 50 to 60%. Question 17. Which of these is prohibited regarding common allergen? Tree nuts, chestnuts, walnuts, peanuts, acorns. Tree nuts like walnuts are allergens, distinct from peanuts. Question 18. Why is cooling food step 1 important in a kitchen? 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours. 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours. Phase 1, cool from 135 to 70 in 2 hours. Question 19. The primary concern with FIFO stands for is: first in, first out, first inventory, first order, fast in, fast out, food in, food out. FIFO ensures older stock is used first. Question 20. The safest method for Vibrio vulnificus is: bacteria in oysters, virus, toxin, parasite. Vibrio is linked to raw or undercooked shellfish.